Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on two-factor authentication in DeepL. So actually guys, at first you will need to open up your favorite browser, Google Chrome, Opera GX, Safari if you're on a Mac, for example, and then just go and look for DeepL.com using the search bar, right, and hit enter, okay? Then log in or make sure that you're already logged in to your account. So now to enable it or to turn it on, I'm talking about the two-factor authentication, you will need to go and click on the profile icon picture that's located next to start free trial. If you already started, you will find that icon or that profile picture at the top right corner anyways. So just click it and then go with account option right here. Click it just like so and scroll a little bit. So here, as you can see, you will find or you will be able to visualize your login details, right? So just scroll all the way down until you can see the setup two-factor authentication for your personal account. Now just go with enable, okay? And here you will need to choose if you want to go with the Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or 2FAs. Okay, so for me, I do prefer the Google Authenticator. So just click it and go back to DeepL and then go with next. Okay, so as I told you, you will need to have this app on your phone. Okay, and then just open up this app, sign up on it with your Gmail, okay, and then go and right, so here is an example right here. You will need to go with the scan option, okay, so here you will need to go with get started, alright, and get started, right, and then you will need to click on this plus, and after that you will need to scan that QR code, okay? Then just scan it and click on next and enter the 6-digit code right here, then go with next to activate it, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.